Good day, I'm Princess Corpus and today I will discuss the computer parts and peripherals. So the first one is computer case or chassis cabinet. It is enclosure that contains most of the hardware of a personal computer. The components housed inside the case such as the CPU, motherboard, memory, mass storage device, power supply unit, and various expansion cards are referred as the internal hardware, while hardware outside the case, typically cable, link, or plug-and-play device, as the display, speaker, keyboard, mouse, and USB flash drives, known as peripherals. The second one is motherboard, mainboard, system board, main circuit board inside the computer. It is provides power and data transmission between these components and also houses the BIOS or basic input-output system, chip that manage the boot up process and system configurations. The motherboard determines the overall compatibility and expansion capabilities of a computer system. The third one is CPU or Central Processing Unit. It is the main component of a computer that executes instruction and perform calculations. It is sometimes referred to as the brain of computer. The CPU receives instruction from operating system or software application and interprets them, and carries out necessary operation using internal logic gates and registers. Number 4, RAM or memory. It is type of computer data storage that stores information that the CPU can quickly access and manipulate. RAM is volatile, meaning that it loses its contents when the computer is turned off. Next, number 5 is display adapter. It is a hardware component that connects a computer's motherboard to a monitor or other display device. It converts the digital signals generated by the CPU and RAM into analog or digital signals that the display can undergo. Istana, allowing the users to see images and text on the screen. The display adapter contains its own processing power and memory, allowing it to handle complex graphics and 3D rendering. Next, number 6, hard disk drive. It is non-volatile storage device used to store large amount of digital data. It consists of one or more rotating disks coated with a magnetic material, a red-white head for each disk, and a spindle motor to rotate the disk and at high speed. So number 7, floppy disk drive. It is a type of storage device that was commonly used in computers during the 1980s and 1990s. It consists of a thin, flexible plastic material coated with a magnetic barrier. Floppy disk one come in different sizes, with the most common being 3 to 5 inches. So number 8, optical disk drive is a device that reads and writes data to optical discs such as CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs. It uses a laser to read and write data in the form of tiny pits and lands on the surface of the disc. The laser is focused through the lens onto the disc, which is spun at high speed to ensure that the date can be read and written accurately. So this 8 is the parts and peripheral of some parts and peripherals of a computer.